Hey Van Gang, this is Vanity. So today I am coming to you with my final thoughts on this hair that I got from Sunber Hair. This is the Brazilian body wave and I only have in 3 bundles, girls. 3 bundles in a lace closure. So I have 2 bundles of 26, 1 bundle of 24, as well as a 20-inch lace closure in which I created a vanity wig unit. If you would like to inquire about having me make you a wig, you can email me at vanityinsanity119@gmail.com and I will shoot you all the information you need to know. I was rebranding and all of that, so yeah, if I haven't answered any of your emails, please shoot me another email and I will send you all the information, okay, on how you could get yourself a vanity wig unit made. This is the hair and I did go in and do some big wand curls on it. I also have a tutorial on me doing small wand curls with 2 different styles, so definitely check it out. I will have it linked down in the bottom bar just in case you haven't seen it. But today I have some very loose waves that I created with a big wand curl. I wanted the kind of like body wave feel, so I'm gonna stand up so you can see how long it is. So this is where it is on me, like at the bottom of my boobs. So this is what 3 bundles look like. So you do not need more than 3 bundles, even if you're getting a very long length like I did, okay? So with this hair you definitely don't need a lot of product because it is a little bit more on a silky side. So if you're going to use any product, I would definitely recommend the Design Essentials Silk Essentials oil. I would say go in with the smallest amount of product because it will definitely weigh this hair down. The hair definitely holds a curl. Usually when I do big curls with the big wand, the curls don't actually hold. This hair definitely holds a curl. So if you're going to do smaller wand curls, it's going to be even tighter. So I would definitely say that this hair holds a curl and it definitely straightens very well, but in the natural state it has like a very loose type of wave, not really uniform, just really loose. So the body wave, of course, you know, that goes away and it's not straight again. It's like a natural wave once it is washed, okay? So as far as tangling, I definitely don't get any tangling. Like, that's not something that I've experienced at all with this hair. I would recommend to wash this hair weekly. So you can pretty much use any type of products with this hair as far as shampooing and conditioning, because this hair definitely is low maintenance as far as that. It didn't come with a scent. All of the products that I've been using on this hair have been working for the hair. So yeah, that's a good thing. You don't have to get anything special for this hair. I honestly have not noticed any shedding, so I don't have any cons for you today. I do recommend this hair. I've definitely been enjoying it. I have had no issues with the hair and I really like it. So if you want to check out Sunber Hair, I will have them linked down in the bottom bar as well as the direct links to this hair. I do recommend it. If I had to give it a rating, I would give it an 8 out of 10 because it was definitely low maintenance and I've had no issues with it, okay? So that was it for this review. I hope you enjoyed, and if you would like to purchase this unit, I will have that information on how to purchase it down in the bottom bar, okay, because it is for sale. So yeah, so I thank y'all so much for watching. I will have all the links to Sunber Hair down in the bottom bar as well as the videos that I created using this hair. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs me up, comment, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I thank y'all so much for watching and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye y'all.